Equation of a circle in general form. The learner will be able to illustrate the center radius form of the equation of a circle and determine the center and radius of a circle given its equation and vice versa. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to illustrate general form of the equation of a circle, write the center radius form of the equation of a circle, and appreciate the use of equation of a circle in finding solutions to real-life problems and decision-making. Equation of a circle in general form. The standard form of the equation of a circle is x minus h square plus y minus k square equals r square. So, ito yung standard form. Now, pag in-expand natin yung x minus h square, that means x minus h times x minus h, it is equals to x square minus 2hx plus h square. Plus, so ito yun, plus. Then you expand y minus k square. Y minus k square means y minus k times y minus k. So that is equals to y square minus 2ky plus k square equals r square. So let us equate this to 0. So x square plus y square, yun, inayos lang natin, minus 2hx minus 2ky, ayun siya, plus h square plus k square minus r square equals to 0. So, in-equate natin siya sa 0, nalipat yung r square sa left side. Okay. So, that means, let d be equals to negative 2h and let e equals to negative 2k at yung h square plus k square minus r square, that is equals to f. Ulitin natin. Yung d equal siya sa negative 2h, yung e na coefficient ng y ay equal sa negative 2k at yung f equal sa h square plus k square minus r square. So, para medyo maiksi, so yun yung equation ng circle in general form. Therefore, the equation of the circle in general form, papalitan natin yung negative 2h ng d, yung negative 2k ng e, at yung h square plus k square minus r square, palitan natin ng f. The equation of the circle in general form at hk is, ayan, x square plus y square plus dx plus ey plus f is equals to 0. Write the equation of the circle in general form with center at negative 2, 1 and radius 6. So, given, the center is negative 2, 1 and the radius is 6. So, ang h natin ay negative 2 and k is 1. So, the standard form of the equation of a circle is x minus h square plus y minus k square equals r square. Substitute natin ang h. Okay. So, ang h natin ay negative 2. So, pag sinubstitute, x minus negative 2 square plus, then substitute k which is 1. So, y minus 1 square equals 6 square. Let us simplify. X plus 2 square plus y minus 1 square equals 36. Ang hinahanap natin ay general form, so i-expand natin siya. So, ang x plus 2 square means x plus 2 times x plus 2. So, that is equals to x square plus 4x plus 4. Plus, yon. Ang y minus 1 square means dalawang beses mong imumultiply ang y minus 1. So, that is equals to y square minus 2y plus 1 equals 36. So, let us now simplify. Arrange natin siya. So, x square plus y square. Sunod yung may, ang coefficient ay x. So, 4x minus 2y. At lahat ng constant term nandito sa huli. So, positive 4, positive 1, minus 36 is equals to 0. Inequate natin sa 0. So, we have now x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 2y minus 31. Saan galing yung negative 31? Dito yan, 4 plus 1 minus 36 equals negative 31 is equals to 0. Therefore, the general equation or the general form of the equation of a circle is x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 2y minus 31 equals 0. Determine the center and the radius of a circle whose equation is x squared plus y squared plus 8x minus 6y minus 39 is equals to 0. So, hahanapin natin yung center ng circle. Okay. So, ang first step, so eto nga yung given, isolate natin muna yung constant. So, ilipat natin yung constant sa right side, no? So, ayan. Yung negative 39 naging positive 39. Ayun pa rin sila, nilipat lang yung 39. Then, let us group x and y together, leaving a blank for the third term. So, i-group natin. Ayan. So, x square plus 8x. Ayun, no? Yung third term, missing. Plus y square minus 6y, missing yung third term. So, paano makukuha yung third term? 8 divided by 2 is 4. Tapos, 4 square, it is equals to 16. Ayan. So, dahil nag-add ka ng 16 dito, mag-a-add ka rin ng 16 sa kabila. Then, y square minus 6y. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 square is 9. So, mag-a-add ka rin ng 9. Ayan. So, next, factor the resulting perfect square trinomial. Pag finactor mo to, x plus 4 square. Ito naman, y square minus 6y plus 9. Pag finactor mo, that is y minus 3 square. Then you add 39 plus 16 plus 9 is equals to 64. Therefore, ayusin natin. So, ang standard form ay x minus h. So, x plus 4 square to. So, x minus negative 4 square. Ang h natin ay negative 4. Y minus 3. So, ang k natin ay 3. And the radius is square root of 64, which is equals to 8. So, therefore, the center is at negative 4, 3, and the radius is 8. Determine the equation of the circle whose diameter has its endpoints at piece of 1, 6, 2, and piece of 2, 4, 10. So, yung first point ay 6, 2, and yung second point ay 4, 10. So, ilocate natin siya sa Cartesian plane. So, eto siya. Teka. Ayan. So, yung piece of 1, which is 6, 2, dun siya nakalocate. So, from the point of origin, you count 6 units to the right, then 2 units upward. So, eto siya. Dito nakalocate yung point 1 na 6, 2. At yung second point na 4, 10, from the point of origin, you count 4 units to the right, then 10 units upward. So, nandito yung second point na 410. So, this is now the diameter of the circle. We know that the diameter of a circle passes through the center of the circle. So, dumadaan yung line segment doon sa center. So, paano natin makukuha yung center ng circle? Ang kalahati ng diameter, yun ang kanyang radius. So, yung nasa gitna din ng diameter, yun yung center ng circle. Na yun din yung midpoint nung diameter. So, kunin natin yung midpoint ng diameter. So, to find the midpoint, this is the formula for finding the midpoint. X of 1 plus x of 2 divided by 2. And the second coordinate, y plus 1 plus y's of 2 divided by 2. So, ito yung dalawang point natin. 6 ang x of 1, 2 ang y's of 1. At yung 4, x of 2, at yung 10, yun ang y's of 2. We will just substitute. So, we have 6 plus 4 over 2. Then, yung second coordinate, 2 plus 10 over 2. So, therefore, the midpoint of the diameter or the coordinates of the midpoint of the diameter is 10 over 2 or 12 over 2. Na yung midpoint, yun din yung center ng circle. So, ibig sabihin, ang h niya ay 10 over 2 at ang k niya ay 12 over 2. Simplify natin. HK is equals to 5, 6. So, ang H ay 5 at ang K ay 6. So, ilocate natin. Ayan. So, ito yung center ng circle, 5, 6. So, paano natin makukuha yung measurement ng radius? Kunin natin yung distance mula sa center hanggang doon sa 6, 2. Pwede rin mula sa center hanggang doon sa 4, 10. Yun ang distance ng radius. So, kunin natin. Ayan. So, 5, 6, and 6, 2. So, ito yung pinili nating coordinates. Kukunin natin yung distance niya para makuha natin ang radius. So, the formula for finding the distance is equals to the square root of x of 1 minus x of 2 square plus y of 1 minus y of 2 square. So, the distance is 5 minus 6 square plus 6 minus 2 square. Simplifying, 5 minus 6 is negative 1. 6 minus 2 is positive 4 square. So, negative 1 square is 1. 4 square is 16. Therefore, the distance is square root of 7. Ibig sabihin, the radius is square root of 17. And the center is 5, 6. Okay, so pwede na natin ngayon makuha ang equation ng circle. If the center is at 5, 6 and the radius is square root of 17, ito yung standard form niya. Substitute natin yung h at yung k. So, ang h niya ay 5, ang k niya ay 6. So, x minus 6 square plus y minus 5 square is equals to, ang r natin ay square root of 17. So, square natin yan. So, ang ang hint dyan, pag ang number ay nasa loob ng radical sign at in-square mo siya, pag in-square mo yung number na nasa loob ng radical sign, mawawala yung radical sign. So, tingnan mo, x minus 6 square plus y minus 5 square equals square root of 17 times square root of 17, nawala na yung symbol na square root sign niya. So, ang naiwan na lang ay 17. So, eto yung equation ng circle sa standard form. E paano sa general form? Paano makukuha yung equation ng circle sa general form? Kung ito yung equation ng circle sa standard form, so to find the equation of the circle in general form, i-expand mo lang ito. So x minus 6 square times x minus 6 square. So it is equals to x square minus 12x plus 36. Ito rin, y minus 5 square. So this means y minus 5 times y minus 5. So that is y squared minus 10y plus 25. Minus 17 equals 0. Kasi i-equate natin sa 0 kasi nga isusulat natin siya sa general form. Simplifying, ayusin natin siya. Lahat ng constant term ay nandito sa right side. So, yung mataas muna ang exponent, x squared plus y squared. Tapos yung may 12, yung negative 12x at yung negative 10y. Ito na lahat ng constant number. 36, 25, and negative 17. Ayan. So, isimplify mo to. What is 36 plus 25 minus 17? So, we have x squared plus y squared minus 12x minus 10y. So, 36 plus 25 minus 17 is positive 44. So, eto na ngayon yung general form of the circle. Okay, thank you for listening. See you again in our next topic.